Men over 50, let me ask you something straight from the heart. What if I told you there's a single hidden spot on your body that, when cared for in the right way, could send a rush of fresh blood to your most intimate areas, restore lost sensitivity, and help you wake up feeling like you did in your prime? It's not on the shaft. It's not a muscle you work out at the gym. And the truth is, most men never even think about it. Yet in my 10 years as a urologist, I've seen this one simple routine done with nothing more than a common natural oil bring back confidence and performance in ways that leave my patients genuinely surprised. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly where that spot is, why it holds so much power, and how you can start using it tonight to naturally strengthen your erections without relying on pills or complicated gadgets. By the end of this video, you'll understand why castor oil can be such a powerful ally for blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and even hormonal balance. You'll also know exactly where to apply it, how often, and what kinds of changes you might notice in the coming weeks. Please stay with me, because the details here matter more than you think. Before I reveal the exact spot and the method for applying castor oil, we need to first understand what's really happening inside the male body after the age of 50. You see, an erection is not just a moment of arousal or a simple reflex. It is one of the most complex and finely tuned events your body is capable of. It demands perfect teamwork between your brain, your hormone system, your delicate network of nerves, and a precise response from your blood vessels. If even one piece of that system slows down, the entire process can feel weaker, slower, or less reliable as time goes on. The blood vessels that supply the erectile tissue can lose some of their natural flexibility. They stop opening as wide, making it harder for that rush of blood to flood in and create firmness. And when the blood does arrive, it can slip away more easily, since it's harder to trap inside the chambers where it belongs. At the same time, testosterone, the hormone that fuels not only desire but also tissue strength and vitality, begins to slowly decline. That shift influences not just your energy and mood, but the very strength of your erections. There's another change too, one most men don't realize. The tiny nerve endings that carry signals of pleasure from the penis to the brain can lose their sensitivity over decades. What used to spark instant excitement may now feel muted, like the volume has been turned down. And we can't overlook the pelvic floor muscles, those deep, hidden muscles that act like a locking mechanism, keeping blood where it needs to be. As they weaken, erections tend to fade before you want them to. This is the point where many men start to lose hope, believing this steady decline is just aging, something they can't fight. But I can tell you from years of helping patients that belief is not true. The body, even after 50, still has a remarkable ability to bounce back if you give it the right kind of stimulation, care, and environment. When you target the right structures, the muscles, the blood vessels, the nerves, you can restore vitality in ways that feel like turning back the clock. And this is exactly where castor oil becomes such a surprising and powerful tool. It's not magic. But when applied to the right place, in the right way, it supports circulation, reawakens nerves, and helps recondition the pelvic area for stronger, more dependable erections. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Castor oil isn't just some ordinary oil sitting in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet. It has a unique composition, and its secret weapon is a natural compound called ricinoleic acid. This is what gives castor oil its almost legendary healing qualities. It acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, calming hidden irritation deep in the tissues and soothing areas that feel tight, tense, or strained. It also encourages blood vessels to relax and open wider, so more oxygen-rich blood can flow right where it's needed most. And maybe just as importantly, it helps your lymphatic system, your body's built-in cleanup crew, move more effectively. clearing away waste and toxins that can stall healing and drain tissue vitality for hundreds of years. Castor oil packs have been trusted in traditional medicine across cultures. People press them against the abdomen to wake up a sluggish liver, over sore joints to ease nagging pain, or onto skin to speed healing after injuries. Its ability to sink deep beneath the surface made it a go-to remedy when you needed more than just surface-level relief. Now, when we bring the focus to male sexual health, this same deep penetrating ability becomes the real magic. Castor oil doesn't just sit on top of the skin, it moves through the layers, reaching areas rich in blood vessels and nerves. Applied over the right zones that influence erectile function, it helps muscles let go of tension, keeps blood vessels open and ready, and delivers nourishing blood to your erectile tissues. It even nourishes those nerve endings that may have gone quiet with age, gently coaxing them awake again. Think of it like flipping a switch that's been off for too long. This renewed nerve activity brings more sensitivity, more natural arousal, and a stronger brain-body connection during intimacy. Many men who've tried this routine describe it in the same way, a gentle awakening. They feel subtle warmth, a pleasant fullness, or even tingling in places that hadn't responded that way in years. It's not about forcing the body. It's about creating an environment where your body remembers how to work at its best. And when this oil is paired with the exact application spot I'm about to share, the results can be surprisingly powerful. Not in some quick, artificial way, but in a steady, natural return of function that feels like your own body working the way it was always meant to. So, where exactly should this oil go? The secret spot isn't the shaft like many men might assume. It's the perineum, that soft, slightly muscular area between the scrotum and the anus. While it might not seem like an obvious choice, this little area is actually a major control hub for erections. Underneath that skin lies the bulbous spongiasis, muscle which works like a natural clamp, helping to trap blood inside the penis and hold firmness. Running through the region are also branches of the pudendal nerve, which carry the vital signals of arousal and pleasure to and from your brain. Alongside those nerves flow arteries that supply fresh oxygen-loaded blood straight to the erectile tissue. So this isn't just a patch of skin, it's mission control for sexual performance. And when you apply castor oil here, you're doing much more than moisturizing. You're sending its powerful properties deep into the pelvic floor. The oil relaxes tense muscles, opens blood vessels, and nourishes sluggish nerve pathways. Together, these effects create the perfect environment for stronger, more reliable erections. In my experience, this can be life-changing for men who notice their morning erections aren't as firm, or who find themselves fading too soon during intimacy. By targeting this hidden spot, you're addressing multiple root causes all at once. Instead of just patching over the symptoms, here's how to do it the right way so you get the full benefit. First, make sure the area is clean and dry. That way, the oil can sink in deeply without barriers. Take a teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil, and I can't stress this enough, high quality. Unrefined oil matters because it keeps all the natural compounds intact. Warm it gently, either by rubbing it between your palms or placing the spoon in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. You're not trying to heat it up, just warm enough to feel soothing on the skin. Once ready, get into a comfortable position where you can reach the perineum easily. Using slow, firm, but gentle movements, massage the oil into the area. Aim to press deep enough to feel the underlying muscle, but not so hard that it hurts. Imagine you're inviting the tissue to relax and soak up nourishment. Use steady circles or strokes, covering the space between the scrotum and anus. Spend at least 2 to 3 minutes here, longer if you can. This isn't about rushing. It's about giving your body time to respond. Many men find that syncing the massage with slow, steady breathing, inhale deeply, exhale fully, helps them release more tension and welcome the sensation for an added boost. When you finish massaging, place a warm compress or towel dipped in warm water over the area for about 15 minutes. The mix of heat and oil pulls the properties even deeper into the tissues and boosts circulation further. You may feel a spreading warmth through your pelvic region, a good sign that blood flow is waking up. I recommend making this a calming nightly ritual. Doing it in the evening when your body is already winding down allows the tissues to stay relaxed and keep absorbing the oil throughout the night without interruption. With steady practice, this simple habit can become a quiet, restorative routine that not only supports intimate health, but also improves your overall sense of well-being. Some men notice subtle changes in just a few days, a gentle warmth, a light tingling, or a greater sense of aliveness in the pelvic area. For others, it may take 2 to 4 weeks of regular use before clear signs appear, like stronger morning erections or better staying power during intimacy. Every body responds at its own pace, and that's perfectly normal. Remember, this isn't a quick artificial jolt like a pill. It's a process of retraining your body, conditioning your tissues, and restoring the natural systems that support healthy function. Along the way, you may notice unexpected benefits. Many men describe feeling more ease in their pelvic floor, like a hidden tension they never realized was there has finally released. Some report less stiffness in the lower back, since the muscles and nerves in that region are deeply connected. Others even find better bladder control, holding urine more easily and waking up fewer times at night. That's no accident. Same muscles and nerves that power your erections also help control your bladder. Of course. Castor oil works best when paired with daily habits that keep your circulation strong and your hormones balanced. Stay well hydrated throughout the day so your blood flows freely and your tissues stay plump and responsive. Add leafy greens and beets to your meals. They naturally raise nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels expand and deliver more oxygen to every part of your body, including your most private ones. Choose foods rich in healthy fats, like salmon, walnuts, and extra virgin olive oil, because they support healthy testosterone and supple blood vessels. And don't forget movement. Gentle pelvic floor exercises, like kegels when done right, strengthen the very muscles that trap blood inside the penis, giving you firmer, longer-lasting erections. Just a few minutes a day can make a real difference over time. Finally, never underestimate the power of your mind in sexual health. Stress and worry flood the body with hormones that clamp down on blood vessels and shut down desire. Taking time each day to relax isn't a luxury, it's essential, whether that's deep breathing, a slow evening walk, stretching before bed, or simply sitting quietly in your favorite chair. These moments of calm help your body slip into the state where intimacy feels natural again. When you combine castor oil therapy with these supportive habits, you create the perfect environment for lasting change. Castor oil is generally safe for external use, but choose a pure, cold-pressed variety to make sure you're getting its full natural benefits without chemicals or processing. Avoid using it on broken or irritated skin. And if you ever notice significant pelvic pain, sudden changes in erectile function, or other unusual symptoms, see your doctor right away to rule out underlying issues. If you're taking medications for blood pressure, heart disease, or circulation, it's always smart to let your physician know before adding even a natural practice like this, because the goal here isn't just improvement, it's improvement that lasts safely for years to come. So, men, I want you to remember this. Your body is more adaptable than you might believe. Even past 50, it has the power to heal, recover, and regain strength in ways that can truly surprise you, with the right care, the right stimulation, and the right habits. You can reignite the spark you thought was fading and enjoy intimacy that feels confident, natural, and deeply fulfilling. Try this castor oil technique consistently. Give your body the nourishment it needs both inside and out. Support it with good food, plenty of water, and daily moments of calm. And you may find yourself experiencing changes that go far beyond what you hoped for. Don't rush. Trust the process. And if you found this message helpful or encouraging, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you care about who could benefit from it. You never know how much difference a simple piece of knowledge can make. In someone else's life, this is Dr. Masha, wishing you health, vitality, and confidence at every stage of life. Thank you for spending this time with me. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Listen to your body and never stop believing in its power to restore and renew.